the military, a brief history of the Insurrection Act. The Insurrection Act, as I've said before, and we talked about this on the first program we did on this platform in this program, the Insurrection Act is the foundation of the sovereign authority of the president. It gives him broad executive power to militarize the situation and solve what is an emergency and define what that is. In the summer of 1919, this is from the document, President Woodrow Wilson suppressed race riots in Washington, D.C., Omaha, Nebraska, Elaine, Arkansas, Lexington, Kentucky, et cetera, through the Insurrection Act. He also quelled labor unrest with federal forces in Butte, Montana, Seattle, Washington, Gary, Indiana, Knoxville, Tennessee, et cetera, et cetera. The bottom line is that what we're experiencing in Minnesota is not unprecedented. It is sanctioned by the Supreme Court and the Constitution. But the institutions of power and their confederates in the media and academia have abandoned us. They do not represent us. They represent the lawless and growing majority, I would say, or growing minority, threatening to be majority of the largely non-white population in this country that is here to do nothing less than to demographically replace us. And they're doing it with constitutional blessing. This is why I've said before, the social contract is done and we need a new constitutional order, period.
This is why there cannot be this right-wing fixation on Alex Preddy and Renee Good, because they represent traitors to the white race, and they are not a symptom of the larger problem, of the appropriate larger problem. The constitutional crisis that we're in is the larger problem. Cameron, of course, is right.
Yeah.